Hello, welcome to the Ridgeway world. I decided to pick up the camera. Today is day 31 of someone's no beer challenge. So I'm proud he did it for 30 days.
Jeffrey!
Did a very good job.
Jeffrey!
But today's day 31, so he thinks that he can just go ahead and have beer. But I don't want him to go back to drinking beer every day because I don't like the inflammation that it does to his body. So, anyway, I picked up the camera because look. You see that?
It's day 31.
You see
the
what
man
that
does.
is? That's a beer.
That's a Centennial IPA that's 7.25 ABV.
Here's my point, and I tried to make this before I turned the camera on. Why would you have the beer? You said you're not going to drink now, only on the weekends. Okay, it's a weekday. Now, just because it's day 31, why do you have to have that beer?
Because it's day 31. I made an agreement that I would go the 31 days, right? Didn't I?
You would go 30 days.
Yeah, I went
And
31.
you did. I don't know, and I'm glad you...
Because the date that rung out back then was February 22nd.
Okay.
What's today's date?
I get it, hon. I understand that.
Okay.
But why is it that you have to have one right when the challenge is done? Why can't you wait? If you said to me, you're not going to have one every day anymore, you're just going to do it on the weekend.
Sporadically.
Yes. Why can't you wait till the weekend to go back to it? Why do you have to have it today?
Because to the victor go the spoils.
Huh?
Why are you getting it?
To the victor goes what?
The spoils. Have you ever heard that?
No,
Look, I did 31
that
days.
That doesn't even make any sense. I don't even know what that means. What does that mean?
I win. I get a beer. Don't step on Johnny because he's upset because you're yelling at him.
Johnny, what do you think? He needs to stop.
You can get them all against me. Get the dogs against me. I'm still having a beer. Look, I did 31 days. I signed on. I did it. So today, for a little bonus for me, I'm going to have 2 beers. 2.
Why does it have to be 2? Why can't it just...
Because I want to. How many
Why can't you
Trulies?
just-
Wait a minute. No. How many Trulies have you had in the last 30 days?
In the last 30 days?
Yeah. Oh, she's scheming in her mind. Look at it.
3.
Okay. How many beers have you had in the last 30 days?
1.5.
1.5? So you wasted
In
a half?
30 days.
But you wasted a half.
You know what? You hear that bing?
Yeah, I hear the bing. I
Okay.
can't help hearing the bing.
Mm-hmm.
What did you do? Tweet it out or something that I'm having a beer
No,
after 31 days?
I am texting your sons.
And they'll say, Dad, enjoy your beer.
I already texted them.
Oh, God.
And this is a reply.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay. JT says, Dad, have a
I'm
beer.
sorry,
pal."
you're out of the thing.
Don't worry about me.
This actually is from Jesse.
Oh, lovely.
Congrats, Dad. You did it.
Woohoo! Yeah.
But, I mean, if you're going to drink today, then I guess it was all for nothing.
Exactly.
It's like 1 month. But here's my thoughts. I know you claim you don't feel any different. I beg to differ. I think you may notice it when you drink, if you drink today, and you'll have it, and you'll be like, oh, wait. Yeah, it's not that good. Or like, I feel kind of shitty. I don't know.
And
Yeah.
well, I may
See?
feel it after it, but wouldn't you want me to go and try a couple to see how I feel? And if I do feel like
All
I'm
right, go
having
ahead.
issues,
Go ahead.
did JT send anything too?
No, he's probably still working. Go ahead.
So now you got the whole family against me
I'm not
having a
against
beer.
you. We're trying to help.
I like the odds when everybody's against me. Me against the world.
But I'm not saying that you have a problem. I'm saying that because you had no problem not drinking. I'm saying that it's not good for you to drink every day.
Okay, I won't drink every day. I've told you that. This is only sporadically I will.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
I haven't really lost any weight.
I am conceding.
Are you?
Yes.
For
now.
For now.
For now. Go ahead.
Oh, I feel terrible from
Does
the
it
smell.
smell? What is this? Does it smell good?
Yes, it smells good. Look at that. The dark, rich flavor. Mm-hmm. Sometimes I don't drink beer, my friend, but when I do, it's Centennial IPA. Doesn't that go with the beer and everything? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What's it say on there? Huh? What's it say?
It says.
Squint your eyes. You bought that for me for a beer.
Oh, that's what I do. I drink and I know things.
Right. There you go. Let's see. Oh, God, it was well worth the 31 days. See, don't you feel better? Look, I only have 2 beers tonight, and then maybe Saturday or maybe Sunday. I will stop
Okay.
during the week. How about that?
Yes.
Does that work for you?
That works for me.
Okay.
Yes. Because you should only really be a social drinker. You don't have to have drinks
Right.
every day.
But I
It's
used
not
to be...
good for your insides. When you were younger, it's different. When you get older, it catches up with you, and all that inflammation causes all kinds of problems.
Old people say it, things catch up to you because they're running out of time. So yeah, of course it catches up to you. Right?
Okay.
Now, what else?
That's
Do
it.
you want one?
Do I want one? No.
Do you want to...
I don't like IPAs, and I don't drink. I don't usually drink during the week, and you know that.
Right. What was yesterday? Was that Monday?
That was the celebration of somebody's birthday.
Oh, okay. So, and that's including
Including
years, right?
Including.
I only have one sip.
Uh-huh.
So if that's a
All right,
yearly
that's
thing,
it.
right?
That's all.
No, I want to get a point out. Okay, so you drink.
No, that's it. That's it. We're done. We're done.
Okay.
I jumped the gun, I guess.
Right. Well, again, it's okay. But I'm a grown man, almost
I
60 years
know.
old.
I know. I'm just trying to help because I
used
love
to.
you.
Okay, I love you too. I used to smoke. I was a social smoker too, and I quit 30 years ago, 25 years ago. So
You
I
don't
do
have
like
an
beer.
addictive personality. I told you I wasn't worried that you were addicted to it.
right.
I just was looking out for your insides. That's all.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay?
Okay. I appreciate it though. Okay. Are you going to sign off this video or am I?
You can sign it off.
Hey, everybody have a great day and a good beer. Does that work? Now,
Yes.
seriously, everybody, if you do have a drinking problem, please reach out to somebody. I make jokes of it, but I do enjoy a good beer once in a while. For probably the last 4 or 5 years, it was basically every day I would have a couple. I love to cook, and I'd love to have a drink of beer I don't drink hard liquor very often, but a beer. But if you do have problems, and you know somebody that has problems, please reach out to somebody. Take care of the people around you, the ones that love you. Think of them, okay? Hey, cheers. Have a great day and a good life.
And say bye-bye, John. Say bye-bye. You're going to talk one of these days. Go ahead. Oh,
John, you want a beer? Ah.